guys, welcome to the vlog. I am so excited. I have so much going on the next couple of days and I figured I would take you guys along with me, of course. I feel like I've been doing so many vlogs recently and I've been loving it. Like, I just feel like it's so much fun. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon today. I have had a really slow morning. I did not work out today. I needed recovery. I went to Disney about a week and a half ago, and yes, I did a vlog, so be sure to watch that. But I did Disney, I worked out that whole week, and then I felt like I was kind of just like in need of like recovering my body because we walked like 20,000 steps a day. So today I just decided to just do my treadmill. I went on a little 2-mile walk and I've just been taking it really easy. I want to thank Bob and Brad for sponsoring this portion of the video. This little massage gun right here packs a punch and it has been really helping me with my recovery and making sure that I am properly recovered before my next workout and even on like my rest days. This little thing has been such a lifesaver. It's literally 0.88 pounds. It's less than a pound, and a lot of other ones out there are a little bit heavier, which makes it harder when you're holding it for such a long period of time. Because for me, when I use a mini massage gun, I want it concentrated for a hot minute and I don't want my arms getting tired. So I love that this is a little less than a pound, so it's really easy to hold. And it has this curved handle right here, so it fits really perfectly in your hand. It comes with all 5 of these massage heads, which is absolutely perfect. I love having the options, and it's just really great because each one targets a different type of deep tissue therapy. So it kind of just depends on what you want to focus on. I will say this one is my favorite, probably because it's the most innovative and it has advanced heat and blue light therapy. So you can literally feel it heating up on your skin, which is actually phenomenal, because how many times are you told to put heat on something when you're trying to help your muscles recover? So the fact that this has it built in is pretty amazing. You guys know I'm all about blue and red light therapy, but this one just has blue, which I find absolutely cool. It does have 5 speeds, but I typically stay on speed number 3 just for my sake because it does get pretty intense, but I am able to work myself up a lot more often. It does have a charger port here at the bottom, and if you ever use this attachment, which trust me, this one's literally the best, then you just want to press the top of it and it will turn on the heat therapy for you, just like that. You can just do the heat therapy like this, where you can turn on the massager and also work it in like this, which is my preferred method. It literally just feels so good. I've been working arms a lot recently, so this is just so helpful. I love it. And if you press this one more time, you get the second heat mode, which is 107 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very nice and warm. The first one is just 100 degrees, so you definitely feel a different type of warmth and sensation when you do the second mode. It also charges in 2 hours, and you guys know I travel a lot, so I will definitely be taking this with me when I travel. I'm going on a huge trip at the end of May, so this is totally coming with me. There's a bunch of other heads to try out. I also really love this one. It's like a hook and it gets right here for your tricep, which is what I work out a lot. I mean, you see that muscle right there. It just feels so good. Thank you to Bob and Brad for sponsoring this little portion of the video with my new favorite M7 Plus massage gun. I've been loving this so much and I cannot wait to continue to implement it into my routine. Let's get on into the rest of the video. I think I want to go to the mall. I have a pickup at Louis Vuitton and maybe we'll stop into Aritzia as well. And yes, we are in the car because we are going to the mall. I have a very exciting pickup from Louis Vuitton from the Cherry Blossom Takashi Murakami collection, and then I want to stop into Aritzia, see my sales advisor, see if there's anything new, and then I also have a return for Aritzia, so we're gonna do that as well. Guys, it's so cute here. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. It's like a drive-through only. I love it. I think I just want to do the classic. I'll just do a small.
Alright.
Is it good? It's just like brown sugar vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, I figured that's like a good one to start with. Yeah, so I'll just do that.
If you want to reach out to us via Instagram too,
yeah,
we're trying to do like some little bits of like partnerships and stuff.
Oh, cool, yeah.
Since we're a startup, it's kind of hard to throw around.
I'd love to. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're so nice here. I love it, and they want me to do a little reel/post for them, and of course, I'm so down for that. So I'd love to do that. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that is literally phenomenal. Also, look how cute their cups are. Oh, I love it. I love supporting local. It's like my favorite thing ever. I just came in Aritzia. I'm trying on things. Look how cute this little dress is. Okay, I did a little damage in Aritzia, but now we're in Louis Vuitton. They have a temporary store right now, but I've been waiting for this cherry blossom item for so long, and Macy finally has it, so let's do a little unboxing. Oh my goodness, Macy. It is so stunning. I feel like it's illegal to touch it. Oh my gosh. It's finally here. I love the vibrant pink. It's so perfect. And it comes with a keychain too, right?
Yes.
It's in here though. The inside. Oh my gosh. I'm literally addicted. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. The pink. I literally wanted it just for this. I know it's so cute. I love it. It's perfect. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I definitely spent some time at the mall, but I just got back. I made some filet mignon with sweet potato, a little bit of butter, and brown sugar for Joey and I. So this looks phenomenal.
You look phenomenal.
Hi guys, it is a few days later. I have been so busy this week. It has been crazy. Like, I feel like my life is just like never going to stop, which is totally fine. I'm totally okay with that. I love being super busy, but it's been a crazy past few days. So this is gonna be like the last day in this vlog, and I'm gonna do a haul of what I got at the mall, and then also I have a few PR packages, which I'm so excited about. You guys did already see my Louis Vuitton purchase from the first day. I do have a separate video on that. I believe it's going up before this vlog, so be sure to stay tuned for that, for like a whole unboxing. I recently mentioned how I would love to work with Kerastase and how I just would really love to get something from them. I didn't even know this was coming to me, and it's crazy. So we have this to open and a few others, and also I want to show you guys what I got at Aritzia, so let's do this bag first. I seriously found the cutest stuff in store, so I have to show it to you guys. So first, this is the Wilfred Pippa dress. I got a size small. I love this so much. I feel like a lot of Aritzia dresses are super long, and long dresses are just like not necessarily for me. I prefer the length of this dress. I really like the rose little detail up here. And also it's like a halter, but you can take the straps and tuck them in if you want, and it looks fully strapless, so it's kind of up to you. I also got it in this beautiful bright red orange color. I mean, it is so on brand for me to have this kind of color in my closet. I just feel like these are so timeless and perfect for spring and summer. I love the fabric. They're very lightweight, perfect for Florida, and just like very classy. I did try this on for you guys. This is a cute little cargo skirt. I have the Ricky skirts. I think that's what they're called. Love those so much. Those are just like a plain denim skirt, but I really love the cargo look. It just adds a whole different vibe to the outfit. It is a size 28, and the shade of denim I have is 7 Years Blue, which is like my favorite color denim from them. And then this is the top that I tried on for you guys. I got it in a size small, and I think it's absolutely adorable. I love it. I'm not gonna wear it with the cargo skirt because I feel like this top is a little too elevated and too cute to wear with a cargo skirt, but I really love it. It's like a nice knit crochet. I love the rose detail again. Just like very classy with some jeans or shorts or the skirt. And then last but not least, I got Villa Pink. I have been loving these shorts. It's the perfect high mini short. I get them in a size medium, but I have been obsessed with these because sometimes like it's too hot in Florida to wear a full-on fleece sweatsuit, so it's really nice to have shorts. And then I just got a matching top to go with it. I've been loving these kind of tops. This is Villa Pink. It's the crew waist home stretch shirt. Obviously, I have a size medium in the top and the bottom. Let's open this Kerastase package because I'm so excited. It says Gloss Absolute, which I just did a Sephora haul, and I got the whole line from Gloss Absolute, so maybe it is something that I did not get, or maybe it's something new. I don't know. I feel like this is such a dream come true. You guys know I'm such a diehard fan of Kerastase, so this is pretty cool. So excited. Literally dreams. What the frickle? Gloss Absolute cheat sheet. Oh my gosh. There's like craziness in here. Oh my gosh, it's the hair oil. It's the glaze drops. I literally just talked about those in my Sephora haul and how much I love them. Love the smell, love how they feel. But let's open this one first. Oh, it's the drops. Yes. Oh. That is so freaking cool. I feel like I'm like living out my dreams this year. I've been working with so many fun brands and just like getting my dream stuff. It's been so cool. I also like love how they did that. All right, there's two more. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, it's a ball, okay. Oh, because maybe it's supposed to like, I don't know. Let me see. Not me smelling this. And the other one, I'm guessing, I don't know what's in here. This is like a game, I love it. Oh, they said a fisheye lens. Wait, that is so cool. You guys know I love these. This is like really cool. So the Gloss Absolute offers 4 days anti-frizz, bouncy, glossy hair with a mesmerizing scent, which I will say it smells so freaking good. Next up, we have a package from Youth to the People. I used to use their like green cleanser all the time when I first started my channel. I haven't used it in years though. I kind of haven't used a lot of their stuff, so I'm excited to hopefully dive back into it. Oh, I love this bag. It's denim and it says Youth to the People on it. That is so freaking cool. It says less ego, more antioxidants. Oh my gosh, I just like love this bag. I'd be fine if I just got this bag, honestly. So excited to see what's in here. There's so many goodies. Let's see. The kale and green tea spinach superfood cleanser. This is what I used to use all the time. I loved it so much. It was always such a good cleanser. So I am so excited to use this again. I always really loved the smell and loved how it felt on my skin. Oh yeah, that smell brings me back, baby. Oh my gosh. They also sent over 2 more things. So we have the Superfood Air Whip Moisturizer Cream. I've been needing a new like daytime moisturizer. Ooh, it's really nice and light. Oh yeah. It's super watery, which I really like for daytime moisturizer. Smells just like the cleanser. And then last up, they sent me this Superfood Skin Drip. It's a smooth and glow serum. You guys. Oh, I've never tried this. I feel like this is like so cool for me because I used to use their stuff all the time when I was younger, like especially their cleanser. I loved it. And it smells so phenomenal. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Youth of the People. I am astonished by this package. So thankful. Got a package from L'Oreal. I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. So we're going to see together. Okay, this is L'Oreal's new faux brow. It is a double brush tip for quick, precise application. And Kendall Jenner is on the front of the card, so that is pretty cool. I'm excited to try this. Let me see what shade they sent me. Oh, they sent me dark brunette, which is so perfect because my hair's like black. I'm so excited to try this. You guys know I've been trying to do more affordable items, so this is perfect. And last but not least, we have Dermalogica. Okay, so they gave me a pre-cleanse, an exfoliator, which I used to use this all the time. We have a plump and preserve. We have a brightening little eye serum. We have a hydration, which is a skin smoothing cream, which is perfect because I just said I need a new moisturizer, so I'm stocked up. And then we have this cool little headband for when I am putting all this on to keep my hair back. Oh my gosh. I really love the aesthetic of all of their packaging. It's so gorgeous and so like minimal. I'm so thankful. This is like amazing. This is such a amazing little PR haul. Well, here you have it. That is the past few days in my life, you guys. A little PR haul to end it. I know it wasn't a crazy past few days like I typically do. Like it wasn't like a lot more stuff, but I did a lot behind the scenes without filming because I just had so much work to do. I mean, now with like my new role in the company and then also running my own company, BG Lifestyles, is really a lot, but I'm so thankful. But there's just so much back and forth with, you know, deals and all this kind of stuff. So I can't record everything, but I love getting to like let you guys in on the things that I can. So I really love doing these videos. I feel like they give you guys a little different like insight on who I am and my life. So I love them. I don't have a quote today, but I have a little bit of a motivation for you. It's hard to see growth or to see how much you have been progressing within a week of like eating healthy or being at the gym. But once that 2-3 week mark hits and you're like, oh my God, I can feel it. I can see it. It is so motivating. It's just that first little bit that is really hard, but that is the motivation for you. Like after you get past that hump, you will feel so much better about yourself, which is what I have been going through recently. Like at first when I started my health journey, I mean, I've been on a health journey for a while, but like really honed in this past, 2 months. It's been really hard for me to like want to stick to it, but now that I'm seeing results and I can literally see my body fat disintegrating from my body and my back fat is like, my back is more smooth, and I'm tracking my stuff with my nutritionist and like going to see her bi-weekly for a scan to see like my fat mass and lean mass and all that stuff, and seeing the numbers drop in my fat mass and the numbers go up in my lean mass has been so amazing. And it literally just makes me want to continue my health journey because I'm actually starting to see the work that I'm putting in like come to fruition. So it's been really cool, but those first couple weeks are extremely hard, but once you get past that little hump, I swear it is so good. So if you needed any type of motivation to keep going, this is it. This is your sign. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Have an amazing rest of your day.